Happy birthday to Mrs. Teresa Ogbebo. Okay. Who am I celebrating today? Mrs. Mabel Amadin. Today is her birthday too. My second mommy. Mommy first fruit. Today is her birthday. You know, when my mommy will be telling me my story, she will be the one that will be adding salt and maggi to it. I don't know if you guys know. You know, now first fruit, you know the way when my mommy will say, yes, when you was this how you do. She will say, mommy, you forgot one. No, she do this one too. She do this one too. You know, mommy. My second mommy, Mrs. Mabel Amadin. May God bless you. May God bless you. Congratulations. Happy birthday to you. I celebrate you today. I don't really know. God has the way He's doing something. Today is my mommy birthday and today is her own birthday too. They celebrate their birthday together. Today. Mommy, I thank you for joining my own mommy, that is my mommy, to as in help me to where I am today before I left home. Even when I left home, I still call her. You know, there are some things I will tell my mother, and there are some things I will not tell my mother. I will say, no, let me just tell my big sister. My big sister will have solution to it. I will just call big sister. Big sister, see. She will say, okay, don't worry. Don't even stress mommy with this. Oh, don't even tell mommy this. Or even apart from if it is stress or not stress in anything, maybe I had a dream, I need to call her. She will tell me. She will give me Bible verse. Take the Bible verse. Use it to pray for 7 days. And this dream is nothing. Just please don't let this dream bother you. Don't let this bother you. As in, even sometimes, you know, I will just call her. Is this what you guys have been passing through? Even when I was, when I pregnant of my first daughter, she's the one that I always call. I don't call my mommy. Why? Because maybe I will call my mommy and she will little bit be afraid, as in panicking. I said, no, I don't need to call my mommy. I will just call her. See what the doctor says. See this, see that. She's my second daughter. I celebrate your day with you, mommy. I celebrate your day with you, Mrs. Mabel Amadin. You will live to enjoy the fruit of your labor. Yes. No, having kids is not that easy. But God has blessed you with them. What you will use to take care of them will not be a problem to you in the mighty name of Jesus. I pray for God's protection over you and your household. I pray for God's protection over you and your household once again. You will not know sorrow. You will not know tears. Joy and happiness will not depart from your home. Today is your day. Jolly your day. Enjoy your day. Celebrate your day. Happy birthday to you. I wish you many more years. No, I cannot play music in YouTube. If not, I would have danced for you, because today na day me I dey suburb for here. I not there with una, but my spirit there with una. I dey suburb for my place here. Yes, so because it's not easy. It's not easy. If God added another year to your years, you need to be happy. If God add another year to your years, you need to be happy. You need to celebrate it, because many are dead. Many are in the hospital. They cannot even talk. But you are here today, thanking, as in celebrating your day. It's not easy. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. Don't worry, I will still dance. I will still give the video that I danced for you, but nevertheless, no music. I was just dancing. I was just dancing because I'm celebrating you guys. I'm celebrating my mommy, celebrating my second mommy, which I'm celebrating Mrs. Teresa Ogbebo, at the same time celebrating Mrs. Mabel Amadin. because today is their day. Yes, so happy birthday to you, both of you. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday, mommy. Congratulations to you. I celebrate you today because you want it. Yes, I'm dancing, I'm rejoicing because today is one of my happiest day in my life. For God adding another glorious, wonderful age to your years, Baba. Another blissful year to your years, Baba. Thank you. I thank you. I appreciate your holy name for protecting my mother till this day, for guiding her. Baba, I say thank you. Jehovah, I say thank you. For not letting sorrow be her portion, Baba, I thank you. Mommy, as you add another year to your years today, happiness, joy will never depart from your life in the mighty name of Jesus. You know, I do laugh because when my mommy, I don't know about you guys, my mommy always tell me my story. Maybe if I'm telling my mommy, I said, Mommy, this one disturb too much, this one disturb too much. She will just say, hey, my daughter, if they're even disturbing you, these ones, they are good. Because like your own time, you will not, the night you will not sleep. Not other kids, like after 3 months, they will start sleeping. But you, till 1 year, you cry. When you are crying, I cannot do anything. And Mommy, thank you for being there for me. And today, look at your daughter. Mommy, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because if I don't sleep, you know they sleep. If I don't eat, my mommy know they eat. Mommy, how go to thank you? How go to even if I say me, I just dance today, morning till night, to just the dance, the jolly, it's not even enough. May they join you this, may they dance, they join you, they celebrate you today. If I dance morning till night, it's not enough. If I said I should be saying all the things that you tell me that I did when I was little, but still yet, you were still there for me. You did not abort me. If you abort me, imagine. You did not abort me. You stand by me till I become adult, till I left the house. Mommy, thank you. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy birthday once again. Congratulations, Mommy. Congratulations, congratulations. I celebrate your day with you.
This is Champagne, aka DPO. Yeah. A true life story. I want to tell you.
Make I tell you, my brother, my sister. Make I tell you, make you listen. It's not easy for this life, my brother. It's not easy for this life, my sister. When man go grow, it go grow. People go tease it, it not go grow. When you zoom, when you get small, but one day you go grow. So far, don't be so small. It's not easy. Waiting I go tell you, my brother. Oh, in God, nothing with God, nothing do for you. Sister, nothing with God, nothing do for you. Oh, in God, my brother. If you sleep, you go wake up. Not be by your power, by your mind. La papa, it do. You know,